What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the battery drain after Android 14 update issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all check the battery draining apps. So to check that, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on battery. Now scroll down and here you will be able to view the list of apps that are using battery. So if a app is using more than usual battery, then you can tap on the app and then you can take action against the app to fix the battery draining issue. You can force stop the app, you can uninstall the app, or you can turn on and off the background or foreground data usage. Now after this, if you are still facing the issue, then turn off the extended memory. So for that, open settings, scroll down and tap on additional settings, and then scroll down and tap on memory extension. Now from here select off and then tap on reboot to confirm. So when you will tap on this reboot option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the memory extension will be turned off, and turning off the memory extension will help you to fix the battery drain issue. So that's how you can fix the battery drain after Android 14 update in your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.